Fellow entrepreneurs, if you are watching this video, you are likely working on card number 17 in your deck. So you're working on your customer definition. And one of the concepts I want to share with you is about customer empathy. You might have heard this term before, but what it amounts to is you really knowing your customer on a very deep and emotional level. That's critical because that allows you to create a very powerful connection with them. It'll empower them to love your brand and love the thing that you're building, creating for them. They'll become evangelists and the champion of your product or service. This is absolutely critical to the success of your business. So a way to begin to know your customer, to find them out there in the world, is through this little simple script that I like to use. And it's just a way of establishing that first step in empathy. Use this script here. It says, I am blank. I'm trying to do blank, but I can't because of blank and blank. And that makes me feel blank, blank, blank. So an example might be like, I'm Sarah and I'm trying to lose weight, but it can't because of my time and I've got kids, and that makes me feel tired. It makes me feel worthless. It makes me feel really sad. So that's an example of Sarah expressing her emotion around a problem. And what you want to do is have your solution actually address that emotional problem that she's having, helping to change and shift those emotions, and helping to help her overcome those things where she says she can't. So yes, the goal of losing weight is important. And sometimes as entrepreneurs, we go right to that. Well, okay, losing weight, I'm going to do an exercise program or better diet or da-da-da. But she's actually expressing other needs, their emotional needs that need to be met in advance of that. So, and how do you find customers? Well, you're going to go out there in the world and you're going to market to people like Sarah, because sounds like she's a busy mom. It sounds like she's got a career perhaps, or she's busy at home doing stuff and she has certain emotions. So these are signals of who she is in the marketplace. And likely if she exists, there'll be others like her or in a similar situation. That's how you find them. And then you start working on, how do I craft my messaging to reach her and connect with her in a really powerful way. And then the next step that you want to look at is a second type of map, known as a customer empathy map. And that's really the next level of abstraction between you and your customer. You're going to look at this empathy map. You're going to study the Sarahs of the world even deeper and so forth. You're going to learn what they think and believe. You're going to listen to what they say and what do they hear in the world. What do they see? How do they see things? And what do they say and do? And those behaviors are really important. And from that, you get even a fuller picture of who they might be, which will then refine how you market to them and how you target your messaging.